Have you ever wondered about the restoration process of the iconic Notre Dame Cathedral? The Notre Dame Cathedral, standing proud and tall in the heart of Paris, is a symbol of French cultural heritage and an architectural marvel that has withstood the test of time. But in April of 2019, a devastating fire swept through this historic monument, causing widespread damage and plunging the world into a state of shock and sadness. Imagine centuries of history, art, and architectural craftsmanship engulfed in flames, the fiery spectacle reflected in the waters of the Seine. The fire gnawed at the intricate flying buttresses, swallowed the famous rose windows, and brought the lofty spire crashing down. The world watched in horror as the iconic silhouette of Paris was marred by the relentless fire. Yet, in the ashes of this tragedy, however, rose a determination to restore Notre Dame to its former glory. The restoration of Notre Dame is no small task indeed. It's a colossal endeavor that requires the skills and dedication of a legion of craftsmen and artisans. These talented individuals have been brought in from all corners of the world to breathe life back into the cathedral, each detail painstakingly restored, from the flying buttresses to the famed rose windows. The process is a delicate dance, a balancing act of the highest order. On one hand, there's the need to preserve the original design, to maintain that connection to the past, to the centuries of history encapsulated within these stone walls. On the other hand, there's the need to incorporate modern techniques to ensure that this architectural masterpiece doesn't just survive, but thrives, standing tall and proud for future generations to admire. This project is a testament to the resilience and determination of the people of Paris. Their commitment to preserving this symbol of their cultural heritage is truly inspiring. So, where does the restoration stand today? Well, the journey to resurrect the illustrious Notre Dame Cathedral is indeed a testament to human resilience and craftsmanship. As we speak, skilled artisans are working tirelessly, restoring the flying buttresses, those arches that once graced the cathedral's exterior with their Gothic charm. The famous rose windows, with their intricate stained glass, are also being meticulously repaired, a task that requires both patience and precision. Significant milestones have been reached in this colossal restoration process. The cathedral's roof, once a charred skeleton, has been fully restored, standing as a symbol of the progress made so far. But it doesn't stop there. Every single stone, every piece of wood, every glass shard is being treated with the utmost care, ensuring that the authenticity of this architectural marvel is maintained. With each passing day, Notre Dame is slowly regaining its former grandeur. Looking forward, what can we expect for Notre Dame? The projected timeline for the completion of this painstaking restoration is a testament to the dedication and skill of the artisans involved. This journey is not just about rebuilding a structure, it's about reviving a symbol of cultural heritage that has stood tall on the Parisian skyline for centuries. The world watches with bated breath as the cathedral's iconic silhouette gradually returns to its former glory. The anticipation is palpable, not just among the Parisians, but across the globe, as we all eagerly await the day when we can once again marvel at the grandeur of Notre Dame. This cathedral is more than just a marvel of Gothic architecture. It's a symbol of resilience, a testament to the determination of the people. As we anticipate the completion of this monumental task, we remember that Notre Dame is more than just a building. It's a symbol of resilience, determination, and cultural heritage. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the restoration of Notre Dame. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on this and other historic restoration projects.